What's up, everybody? Right Lifestyle back in the flesh with the fam. Everybody's trying to duck out the way. So today I know a lot of people want to do underglow lights. So today we're gonna give y'all a little quick, instruction, or how to throw it in there real quick. I got my brother. He's going to help me out. It's not moving. I hate this tripod, y'all. Or not tripod, this stabilizer. Like, it's not working out for me at all. But yeah, we're gonna throw these lights on real quick, and I'm gonna give y'all a little walkthrough because it's real simple. Like, a lot of people are paying $200, $300, $400, $500 for install, and it's it's easy. It's just the fact of where to put it at and mounting it and actually getting under the vehicle. So today I got 4 jack stands, 2 jacks, and an extra set of hands, and we're gonna get it set up. So I'm gonna turn it around and we're gonna go ahead and get started. So I got the light ran through down. Let's see if y'all can see it. Focus. It's not gonna focus. It's focusing on everything. I'm gonna try to wiggle it. So anyway, it's wiggling. It's down there. There's a hole where I ran it through, and I just got it under there, and I'm about to get the car jacked up and let y'all see. Huh? Oh, no, I'm good, man. I appreciate it. So y'all can get like an idea and see how everything look and how I got it mounted. So this is how it is right now. So this is the one I'm replacing, this side here. And then runs through, I got the brackets up, and you about to get the brackets taken off and all down there. And we about to get the whole thing replaced. Show y'all on this side. As y'all can see, all of this right here about to get taken out. So all the way down there into the back, and I'll show y'all how I got the back ran when we get there. So I'm gonna go ahead, and me and him gonna start getting this stuff replaced, because as soon as I do it, I'm just gonna put the other strip up there. So because I already know where everything's going to be fitted at and how everything's going to be. So as soon as I remove them, the other one's going right back up. All right, let's get to it. All right, y'all, so you can see, so what I did was, I basically replaced it. So I ran it through the hole down here. I don't know if y'all can see that. I hope y'all can see that. And I started it here, right? And moved it back, peeled the 3M. Make sure y'all clean it up real nice. Use some alcohol and stuff like that. And let me go ahead and put this all the way in. Hold on. All right. So I put the brackets up, to catch it in case it falls. So I got the brackets up and the 3M tape. And then when you run it to the side, right? So this, so y'all can see where it's going over there. I untook the pins out the panel. It's 3 pins. All you need is flatheads. Same thing when y'all putting on like the this little piece here. Same difference. But yeah, I ran it through there. That's the zip tie from the last one. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this one too, but I'm just showing y'all where I ran it. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the back one. The middle one now. So right now I'm just taking off the 3M tape and putting the fasteners back where I got them from. Now I just gotta clean it up and put the wires where they were. Yeah. So, yeah, you're right though. So the lights on, y'all see it shining already. You already see it's brighter and takes up more now. So instead of being seen like all the way underneath, I angled it to where it shows straight down so you can actually see it without having to bend over and look. Cause I like this way a little better. So I'll go into there real quick and show y'all how my little brother ran the back. And I hate people speed in the neighborhood. Like, there's no reason to speed in here. You can't run a corner. Like, what if he would hit us? Now you would have had a case and your ass whooped. You know what I'm saying? So, I don't mean to curse y'all. That's like a pet peeve. I hate people speeding in the parking lot. There's no reason. So yeah, you see how it's ran right here? In the bracket and everything underneath. So basically, you know, just like in the front. He did a real good job. It's all clean. Got it tucked into the red diffuser back here. So yeah, I'm happy with it. We got it. About to get this thing lowered and go back to, you know, parading in the street. Might as well say it's a parade car. Feel like it's brighter? Yeah. Yep, I'm happy with it. Let's go ahead and get this thing lowered down.
Looking right.
Oh, y'all, look, this is a little tripod stand thing right here, man. I mean, the little stabilizer thing, man. This thing be booty sometimes, yo. I mean, it works good, but sometimes I just can't get it, yo. It's kind of frustrating, low key. But that'll do it for this video. I hope it was a little bit of help. It's hot, it's humid. All these mosquitoes out here eating us. But I hope that helps a little bit. By any means, I'm not a professional, so don't take my word for it. If something happened, you can't blame me. This is my disclaimer. This is the disclosure. All right. But yeah, that's basically how it's done. That's how I did it anyway. And you know, easy peasy, 1, 2, 3 So it's your boy, Right Lifestyle, checking out for another video. Anything to say for the people? He just got off work, so anything to say?
Get y'all some lights. Remember, you can use that code.
Oh yeah.
And don't forget, you know, make sure you clean it off, get some alcohol and all of that. You know, do it right the first time. You know what I mean?
So you ain't gotta do it again. Do it right the first time. You ain't got. That's what my dad told us growing up all the time. You do it right the first time, you ain't gotta worry about doing it again.
Yep.
So like, share, comment, subscribe. If you do dislike, remember, let me know what you dislike about it. Positive feedback, negative feedback. Feedback is always good. But until next time, boy, Right Lifestyle. And nemesis. I just spoke for the car, don't judge me. We out.